All right, Will back, Will Shop Dayton, and we're here with a 2006 Chevy Impala LT with the 3.9 liter in it, and we are changing out the starter. This video has been heavily requested because one of my videos weren't too good, so this is pretty much the last of the videos of the starter. Might do a couple more, but pretty much it. So what you're going to do is start by disconnecting the battery. Go up top. It's a 10 millimeter. Should wiggle. Some people like to disconnect one, some people do both. I don't say either or both. It doesn't really too much matter. Now you got that one kind of on the bar, but zip that off. A little wiggle, hopefully. Maybe someone pried it on there. All right, there we go. One, and could be good there, but for YouTube, let's get that out too. All right, so both of them disconnected, positive and the negative. I'll clean those up as well. And next step is going to be to jack up the vehicle. Put it on jack stands and let's get to the starter. Okay, back. Got the car jacked up. We are up under the car, safely secure on jack stands. This is the bottom wire loom. This is the radiator hose right here. And the starter, if you can see, is right here. Kind of a tight spot. You could probably remove this from here and lift this hose up to give you more room, which I may or may not do. But your power cable is right here. Take that little boot off. I'm giving y'all a good shot because people said my video was terrible, couldn't see what I did or nothing like that. So we're gonna try to give y'all the best shot in the pictures that I can, video I can. All right, so kind of slide that back a little bit. It's kind of hard to get your hand in there, so you might want to move that hose. If I can get that boot. All right, just want it to the side, a boot to the side. All right. So we got, looks like a 10 or 11 there, and we have a clip right there, which you should just be able to use your finger and most likely unclip that. Let's see. Maybe not, maybe from the back side. Not really, can't get through all the wire loom. So what I'm gonna do is disconnect this one first, which I think is like a 10 or 11, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Probably get a little screwdriver or pick tool in there. Let's see. As you can see, that's the starter right there. There's one of the starter bolts that you need to remove it right there. The other one is kind of hidden behind a bracket. All right, so let me just start grabbing this. Probably a 13. Let me try a 13 first. See if my guess works. 13. Right, let's get on there and see. It's probably a 13. There. There we go. That's the way. That's what I wanted the whole time. All right, so now with it completely exposed, should be able to get on there pretty easy. Through the hose, and let's fit. This is a 13. Let's see if this is the, and by God, it is a 13. So we're gonna remove that with a 13 mil and a 3/8 ratchet. See if the long socket helps or hurts me. May need to get a short socket, a very shorter socket. Yeah, I think I need a short socket. You can probably get that. Oh no, I'm on there. Oh, that's probably the best view you could ever get. So Right tight, lefty loosey. And break it free. Alright, it's broke free. Let's see if we can get it with our finger. Hope y'all can see. Yep. Alright, there we go. So, comes off with our finger now. Just kind of had to break it free. Could have used a wrench. It's a 13 mil. We probably could drop it, but I don't know how the new used one's condition is. So I'm gonna take this and place it somewhere right under the tire where I know where it is. Let's remove these connections here. The one with the boot was the top one, and the red one there. So the black one has the boot on it. The red one here is second. A little wiggle out. Oh, that is definitely, all right, there we go. Out the way over there. Now we should, I would think we could be able to get this with our finger, but probably not. So I think I'm gonna have to get a little screwdriver and pop that off. Either way, the harness is out the way. I'm not gonna too much worry about that. I'll get that in a second. It's just a clip. So we're gonna go and get that bolt there. The bolt right there on the bottom of the starter. The bolt right there y'all been seeing, and there's another one adjacent to it. All right, give me a second. Let me fit those up. All right, back. Before we start loosening the bolts to the starter, we're gonna have to get that cover off, which is a 10 millimeter. Just using a socket, an extension. Yeah. And that cover pops down. So let me see what the other one is, and we'll get the starter down. All right, after removing that bolt, I got it out. It's just one bolt holding it. It's just this little piece here. So now we're gonna get to getting this socket, or getting this bolt out to the starter, the front bolt anyway, which is, I believe, the 15 millimeter. All right. So the way I'm gonna get this out is to put it on an extension. 15 mil right there. All right, so let's see, how am I gonna get this? You probably could use a ratcheting wrench at this point. Let's see if I can snake my extension up there like that. And we're gonna go ahead and loosen it. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And that's the front one, which is a short one. I believe the back one is a long one, so that's a short one. So now we're gonna come to this bracket. If I can get to it, let me switch camera mounts. So now we have this bracket here, which I also think are 15 millimeters. So it's probably two 15 millimeters here. One there, 15, yep, 15 mil there, and another 15 mil here. I'm gonna remove one. I'm just gonna loosen this one, so I should be able to just turn it. Ratchet. Remember, righty tight, lefty loosey. Let's take this bolt off. So there was one there, one there. And this bracket should drop. This bracket should drop down, exposing the other starter bolt. this should just drop or come off. Might have to more hitting in the dirt. There we go. Another 15 hitting in the dirt. It came off free. It's like I'm already loose. Let's make sure y'all still got good visual on it. There you go, pretty good. So yeah, let's loosen that up. And then we can go ahead and get the last bolt out. So there are 3 15s holding this in. There's 2 15s holding in the starter. And there is 1 10mm holding in the little plate. All right, bracket down. Okay, which opens us up to the other starter bolt right there, as you can see, hopefully. All right, back. We're gonna go ahead and take the last bolt off, which is right there. It was hiding under this cover, the bracket rather. 3 15mm bolts, and I'm gonna try to use my ratcheting wrench. This should be also be a 15. Or broke free. Let's get that down. Here we go. Starter is free. Bolt right here. So we know that that's the long bolt. Remember, the long bolt goes in the back, the short bolt goes in the front. And now all we have to do is disconnect that clip and remove our starter. I'm probably gonna bring it out that way. All right, be right back with right there. Be right back with that clip right there, and be right back with installation. Hey everybody, back. It's been a couple days. The part that we had was the wrong part, so they had to order the part off of Rock Auto, and we have the correct one now, which is a brand new starter. Let's see how much it was real quick. It's gonna been that much. I think it was like maybe 80 bucks or something like that. Probably was shipping a little bit more, but didn't tell me. So I think it was like 80 something bucks, $86 or something like that. So we have a brand new starter, and we're just gonna basically start installing, which is the opposite. I'm sorry I didn't get the clip, me taking out the clip, which was just a screwdriver, little screwdriver, and I didn't get taking it out, which you just gotta wiggle it and finagle it out. Same thing we're gonna have to do. Let's get everything lined up. As you can probably see as I put it back in, brand new. I'm gonna move the hose out the way. Yeah, radiator hose and the clips, if y'all can see. All right, I gotta get up over that, like so. All right, almost there. Probably put your arm backside just to help a little bit. Move things up out the way, like these. All right. And we are almost, that line is in the way. Hope y'all have a good view up there. Yeah, hope I got a good view. I mean, it's just putting it in, put it in the way you took it out. Y'all get into this part of the video, y'all should have had it out. All right, and we're just gonna kind of get her back there. Oh, wrong way, like that. All right, so we got it up there. Now we're gonna grab our 15mm bolts. The long one goes in the back, the short one goes in the front, and we're gonna get it up there, get our connections on. Pretty much done. I'll be right back. Let me get one of the bolts started and fit the new bolt on the starter. Be right back. All right, kind of had to go freehand, get up there for y'all to see. But as you can see, that bolt hole is supposed to line up with that bolt hole, and that is the short one. So that's the first one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that lined up, get it in there. I can't really film at the same time, so Want to just let y'all know, line that one up there. First step is a short one. It is a 15 millimeter. Be right back. I'm back. I got that one threaded in, as you can see. Now I'm gonna move on to the back side bolt, which is right there. Oh, I can probably get y'all on camera if I'm doing it. Which is a 15 millimeter. I had to go freehand, no camera mounts today. Just screw that in by hand. Anyway, I'm about to put that one in. By hand, and then we'll tighten them up. All right, we got both of them in and tightened down. One, the long one, front one, short one. So now we're gonna go ahead and get all of our connections ready to go on. We're probably gonna clip our clip in first, which is right here. So that one's gonna go there. That one's gonna go there like that, and then the clip is gonna clip into right here. So let's go ahead and do that. I hope y'all can see that. There's a connector right there. All right, as you can see, right there. And now we're just gonna hit the clip right there. Here the clip. All right, that's good. Now we need to get our red one and our black one on this bolt right here. Go ahead and put y'all down. Let me see if it's still a 13 or not. All right, back. We're about to loosen that bolt if I can get it this way. Which I don't think I can. So let me put y'all down. All right, we're back after installation, and I am gonna go ahead and let it down, connect the battery, see if we need a jump or not. Well, I'll just test the battery real quick to see how much voltage it has, and it should start. Everybody let me know in the comments right now, do you think it's gonna start? Oh. Ghost close. All right, and let's touch the voltage just to kind of hedge my bets. So she's good. Bam, bam. Oh yeah, 11.9. No, we want a little bit more. Let's see. Let me know right now. Y'all think it's gonna start? I think it is. Well, battery's dead, so let me give it a jump and we'll be right back. All right, back, giving it a jump start. Volts was about 14. It should start. Let's see if I got it right together. She's gonna start. She's gonna charge up for a minute, so let her charge up for a minute. But she's definitely about to start. Let this motherfucker charge up. I know I did it right. I know this shit. I'll let it charge up though. Let it charge up for like 5-10 minutes and start it up. I'll be back with that when it starts because I know it's gonna start. But comment if y'all think it ain't. You ain't gotta tell me. I already know. That motherfucker's gonna start. Just needed a good connection, nigga. I know what it is. I took that out just to check. Just went back and started it. And there you go. Get that battery charged up a little bit. There you go. There you go. There you go. So this is it. I appreciate everybody. Make sure y'all comment, chat, share the video. Appreciate everybody. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.